I'm Danya's father. Danya is my
Hello, sir.
10-year-old daughter. And the experience was really good. Doctor, you were very, very helpful. And with your support, hopefully we'll get to somewhere. Danya, as she mentioned to you, is showing some improvement in her eyesight. She feels that it is better.
Thank you.
And
Thank you.
we are doing it. And now hearing you, sometimes we used to miss the session in the sunlight. But now we'll make a conscious effort to do it in the sun as much as possible.
Sure. Even 1 second, I can see the screen over here. Mental health matters. It's time for digital detox. See, even a lot of people had the question personally also now. What I told them is, whenever you don't want to use, please switch off the data. Simplest way. You can see that. Don't take your phone to bed. Yes, ma'am.
Danya,
Yes, please.
I have one request. Can you just switch on your video while you are, if you are comfortable?
Yeah, my video is on already.
No, I'm talking to Danya.
Okay.
That will be really good.
Do we have, can you remove some exercises my mother was asking?
Sorry, not audible. What's it?
Speak loudly.
Can I remove some exercises my mother was asking?
Why so soon? Wait for some more time. I will reduce your exercise. Not now. Not for another 1 month for sure. After that, we'll reduce for sure.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you. That's more realistic question, huh?
Yeah. Now, can I request Janvi Krishna if she can share her experience and also any question they have.
Hello.
Hi, how are you? Say.
Hi, sir.
Evening.
I'm good. Yeah.
Can you enable your video also if it's not a problem?
Yeah. Just put on your video, no? Easier.
Thank you.
Can you see me now?
No, not yet. Yeah, yes. Hi.
Hi, sir. So it was really good. I can see an improvement in my eyesight. And the thing was, I was consistent in the beginning, but later not really, but I could still see improvement. So I have to stick to the exercises and stuff. But now the clarity has increased, and yeah, if I stick to this, my sight will decrease.
So thanks a lot. So one thing, no, either do it for yourself or do it at least for me sake. At least for me, you do it actually. But you have to do it. That's all.
Thanks a lot for your feedback. So just one, suggestion is that it's more to do with the psychology and what I was, reading. And that's the reason why we could have done this program purely like a one-on-one session. But if we do it as a group, we keep encouraging. So any successes you are achieving, please share those. And in future, we have our next batch starting in few days. And what we want is this community to grow, and we will not leave Dr. Satish even after the program. We will
actually the problem, as I told you, we started working half day just right now. From Coimbatore is almost become a green zone. So it'll be working like, from Monday, it'll be like full day. Full day means 9 to 6. I have to be more in schedule. That's it, nothing else. I'm happy for this. So I'll tell you one more, if people can see the video, I'll show you one more picture. Here you can see that. Kids with 3 hours of screen time a day grow up to be less active. Here, dangerous trend. This you can see that here. 1 in 3 people feel that they can't have a 5-minute conversation with friends. See, the relationship matters. The family without checking their phones. You see that, this part. See, like this, we have enormous article which in a day-to-day newspaper. I make a point that everything I just cut it, paste it over here so that people who come here see everything. Maybe I'll just make a folder of those and send it across. Is it okay, Ankur? Or will it be so scary then, otherwise?
Ankur sir, are you there?
Hello?
I think he's not.
Okay. Any other questions?
So Charlie, would you like to say something? And I am unmuting you. You can unmute your video and you can talk.
Hi, Vrushali. Able to hear me?
Hello.
Yes.
Hi,
One
hi.
sec-
How are you?
Hi. I am good, sir. I'm good. One thing that we are not sticking to the exercise. We know that we are regular. If we will regular do it, we'll get benefit. So anything reminder or this group should be get continue. So everyone should just remind each other or give feedback. So we will get motivated to do every
Yes.
day.
Best thing is now you start the initiation. That's the better part. You start the initiation.
Fine.
That's a part of your job also, right? Part of
Yes,
your profession, na? Helping
yes.
people. Na? Do that. You do the
Okay.
reminder, you instigate, you start up. That's the better part. Am I
Okay,
right?
we are going to continue this group, right? We are not just exiting this group, what we made for this sessions, the week program, right?
Yeah. Hopefully. I think Belkio should answer for that, not me actually.
We will continue this group because we have individual sessions also. If you would like to, book an individual session, we'll put the details in the group. So
Okay.
the group will be
Okay.
active so that we can
Okay.
support you.
Okay.
See, I just show you one more news. Okay, if you could see that. I used to post pictures regularly and started accepting requests of random people. Then my academic score fell down from 80% to 50%. This is a feedback. You can see that on social medias.
Tanya, you have raised your hand. Would you like to ask anything?
So, doctor, one of my teachers wanted. I was telling them about you that, and she also has specs and she gets migraines and all the time. So, can I give you her number?
This is the best referral I can have in my life, I'll tell you. From a child to a teacher. Thanks for that. This is the success of the program, I'll tell you. Ankur, make a note of this. Huh? Children can bring teachers also to the program.
No, like she
Can you
can.
please enable your video and talk? I think your face is as cute as your voice.
Yeah, I want to see that for sure. Please do.
Can I give her your number?
Yeah, sure. Even the company is there. I think this week you're starting another batch. We'll take special care for you because no, it is not that easy. A child refers a teacher for a program. Thanks for a lot. I love you for that.
Thank you.
Thank you. That's fantastic, right?
Yeah. Hi. Sorry. There was a net issue because of
Okay.
coming here. So I missed a little bit, in between part. But as I was, talking about, and I think Vrishali also mentioned this point. So the whole the group will remain alive,
Okay.
and
Done. Good.
we will also be just a second. Sorry. So I was sharing that the group will be alive.
Okay.
And we'll keep sharing and we'll not leave Dr. Satish. So as and when the community keeps growing, we'll try and have say a monthly Q&A session where people can connect, ask questions, So yes, you are absolutely right. It is very difficult to be on journey alone. But when we have a group and in this research and studies, it has been proven that in a community, your achievement, your ability to be more disciplined is high. So that's why we had gone for a group and group format along with individual sessions.
Yes, that's a good initiative actually.
Yeah, thank you.
Anything else? Any questions?
So I think
would you like to, sir? Inderpreet is left, so let's just finish the testimonial. So if
Yeah.
they have any question. Interpreet, would you like to say anything?
Hello, am I audible?
Yeah, sure, very much.
Hello, doctor.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. I hope you're well as well. I'm part of the WellCure team, so I'm here
Okay.
to just see how the session is going, and just hearing the feedback from people, and I can see the impact it's already having. So
Thank you.
we look forward to doing more and more of such sessions.
Sure,
And,
sure.
all the best to all the participants who joined us, and we look
Thank you.
forward, really seeing a significant improvement with the slides. Yes. Thank you so
Thank you.
much.
Thank you.